Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I just finished a video on this, and I said, and if you haven't watched that, you might want to watch that. This is going to be a little short video. I said I had more control the old way just by rotating it. But you really don't. If you want to, this is what we got. And let's say you think the balls are, too close together. You still got your blend tool open. Just click on it and change it to 44 and hit apply. It puts them a little bit further apart. Let's go 43. So you really have a lot of control. Let's go down a little bit more so you can really space them out. Let's go 41. There you go. So if you did 50, you'd put them closer together and it would give you a different effect. So you do have some control using the blend tool. And just like in the last video, if you want to break it apart and get rid of that hairline, go to ungroup, take that ball, move it down, hit on your hairline and delete it, and then move that right back up. And then I would always group it, Control G. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.